Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the cost of using AI models for your business, only to have them eat into your precious development time? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to talk about a game-changing announcement from Anthropic, a leading AI research company that's about to revolutionize the way we use their powerful Claude agent SDK. Anthropic recently announced that they're introducing a new token-based billing system for their Claude agent SDK, effectively allowing developers to pause and resume their usage as needed. This means that businesses can now only pay for the time their AI model is actively being used, without any unnecessary costs or idle charges. This is a huge win for developers like you who are looking to integrate AI into their workflow without breaking the bank. Imagine being able to use Claude's advanced natural language processing capabilities to automate your customer support or generate high-quality content, all while only paying for the exact amount of time you use it. This